Good morning students, my name is Jyoti. I am working as a lecturer in TJPS College, Department of Chemistry. Today I would like to tell you about halogen compounds. Halogen compounds. Are you know about the halogens? Now let us discuss the halogen compounds. In periodic table contains 7 periods and 18 groups. In these 18 groups, 17th group or 7A group elements are called halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. This is halogens. These halogens, how to form halogen compounds? These halogens, how to form halogen compounds? In hydrocarbon, one or more hydrogen atom or atoms replaced by halogen atoms to form halogen compounds. Are you know about the hydrocarbon? Carbon compound contains hydrogen atom and carbon atoms is called hydrocarbon. For example, methane. For example, methane. For example, methane. This is hydrocarbon. This is hydrocarbon. Methane. This is the hydrocarbon. Halogen compound. In hydrocarbon, one or more hydrogen atoms replaced by one halogen atom to form halogen compounds. One hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom to form monohalogen derivatives. Two hydrogen atoms replaced by two halogen atoms to form dihalogen derivatives. Three hydrogen atoms replaced by three halogen atoms to form trihalogen derivatives. Four hydrogen atoms replaced by four halogen atoms to form tetrahalogen derivatives. How many hydrogens have in this compound? Yes, correct. 4. One hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom to form monohalogen derivatives. Two hydrogen atoms is replaced by two halogen atoms to form dihalogen derivatives. Three hydrogen atom is replaced to three halogen atom to form trihalogen derivatives. Four hydrogen atom is replaced by four halogen atoms to form tetrahalogen derivatives. Tetrahalogen derivative in this hydrocarbon. For example, chloromethane. For example, chloromethane. Chloromethane. Another example, dichloromethane. How many halogens in this compound? 2. So this compound name is dichlorohalogen derivatives. Dichloromethane. Dichlorohalogen derivatives. This name is compound name is dichloromethane. Another example, How many halogens in this compound? 3. So this compound is trichloromethane. Trichloromethane. Another example. How many halogens in this compound? 4. So this compound name is tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. Next one is classification of halogen compounds. Classification of halogen compounds. Next one is classification of halogen compounds. Monohalogen derivatives are classified into 2 types. First one is aliphatic halogen compounds and second one is aromatic halogen compounds. Classification of halogen compounds are monohalogen derivatives are 2 types. First one is aliphatic halogen compounds. Aliphatic halogen compounds, and second one is aromatic, halogen compounds. First one is aliphatic halogen compounds. Aliphatic halogen compounds. Halogen derivatives of alkanes, alkenes and alkanes are classified into 3 types: haloalkanes, haloalkenes and haloalkynes. Aliphatic halogen compounds are 3 types. First one is haloalkanes, second one is haloalkenes, and third one is haloalkynes. First one is haloalkanes. These are halogen derivatives of alkanes. Haloalkanes are classified into 3 types: primary, secondary, tertiary halides. Depending upon the halogen atom is attached to primary, secondary, tertiary carbons. Are you know about what is primary, what is secondary, what is tertiary? Carbon is attached to only one carbon is called primary. Carbon is attached to only one carbon is called primary. Carbon is attached to 2 carbons. Carbon is attached to 2 carbons is called secondary. Carbon is attached to 3 carbons. Carbon is attached to 3 carbon. This is tertiary. For example, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide, CH3, CH2. This is primary carbon. Bromide is attached to the primary carbon. This compound name is ethyl bromide. Next one is CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CH3. This is secondary carbon. So this compound name is secondary. How many compounds, how many carbons have in this compound? 4. Butyl. Secondary butyl bromide. This compound name is secondary butyl bromide. This is the carbon. This is the primary carbon. This is the secondary carbon. Tertiary. Tertiary butyl bromide. This carbon name is a tertiary butyl bromide. Next one is haloalkanes. Next one is haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Next one is a haloalkenes. These are the halogen derivatives of alkenes. General formula of the CnH2n minus 1x. General formula of the CnH2n minus 1x, where x equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. N equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. N equal to 2. C2, H3, chlorine. CH2 double bond CH, Cl. This compound name is vinyl chloride. This compound name is vinyl chloride. This compound name is vinyl chloride. Next one is haloalkynes. These are the halogen derivatives of alkynes. These are the halogen derivatives of alkynes. Next one is the aromatic halogen compounds. Next one is the aromatic halogen compounds. Next one is the aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogens of aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atoms. These are further classified as two types. First one is aryl halides. Second one is aralkyl halides. Aromatic halogen compounds are classified into two types. First one is aryl halides and second one is aralkyl halides. Aryl halides, aromatic ring. This is aryl halides. Halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring. For example, this is halogen. Halogen atom directly attached to the aromatic ring. This is halogen atom. Halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring. This compound name is chlorobenzene. This compound name is chlorobenzene. Another example. What is this compound name? Correct. Bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. Orthochlorotoluene. This compound name is orthochlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene. Next one is aryl halides. Halogen atom is attached to alkyl side chain of the aromatic ring. For example, halogen atom is attached to alkyl side chain of the ring, alkyl side chain of the aromatic ring. So this compound name is benzyl chloride. This compound name is benzyl chloride. What is this compound name is? Very good. Benzyl bromide. Next one, nomenclature. Next one is nomenclature. Next one is nomenclature. Next one is nomenclature. Nomenclature. Organic halides can be named in two ways. First one is common name and second one is IUPAC name. First one is common name. First one is common name and second one is IUPAC name. First one is common name. The individual members are named by joining the name of particular alkyl group to the halides. Joining the name of the particular alkyl group to the halides. For example, joining the particular alkyl group to the halides. So this compound name is methyl chloride. This compound name is methyl chloride. Next one. This compound name is how many carbons? 2. So this compound name is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. This compound is propyl chloride. This is common name. This compound is common name is a methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride. Next one is a IUPAC name. Next one is a IUPAC name. Are you know IUPAC abbreviation? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Alkanes are considered as parent compounds. The name of the halogen is prefixed the name of the alkane. Carbon carrying the halogen atom gets the least number. For example, this compound name is IUPAC. Name is chloro, least number. Chloro methane. Chloromethane. Chloroethane. Chloropropane. This is IUPAC name is a chloromethane, chloroethane, chloropropane. Next topic I will continue the next section, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay. Thank you. Watch the video.